You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buying span them and do it. Def them.
Yo. What is up, Jamaica's gamer here with another reaction? Today, guys, we're in the UK same way. Yeah, man, we're in the UK with Ambush, with Friendly Fire. So apparently, Ambush had a few people in another one, yeah. I don't know, I haven't listened to it yet. We'll jump in it and see what go on, man. Obviously, this is the UK versus the US war. So, I could see. So, this is the UK fire. So, I could jump in it and see where Ambush did it. Yeah. Ambush! Friendly Fire, let's go.
You're not like me. You're not greasy, I'll catch you slipping easy. Drag you out your TT, I'll fuck you up, believe me. You're not greasy. Grease! Yo, first things first, I'm nobody's guy. I'm nobody's friend. Skepta that this was meaty, getting a bin with them. Think you gotta think again, that was kinda dead like them. You already dressed like them, that's not how you...
Weird. Skepta. So if I shoot out a Skepta, so if I say Skepta song dead, Skepta song was dead like them. If I let it just like them, what the fuck I go on? What one?
You're not like me. You're not greasy, I'll catch you slipping easy. Drag you out your TT, I'll fuck you up, believe me. You're not greasy.
Not like us remix. Alright.
Yo, first things first, I'm nobody's guy. I'm nobody's friend. Skepta that this was meaty, getting a bin with them. Think you gotta think again, that was kinda dead like them. You already dressed like them, that's not how you represent. Now I gotta represent, it's tense. I was on a wing with mints. Let me get back to that prick from the ends. Rent a Joe prick from the ends.
Hold on, him over there, so him running, so him. Which part him there? Where him there? Who him a shoot after? Is he shooting after America? I'm a shoot after the UK rappers.
I was on a wing with mints. Let me get back to that prick from the ends. Rent a Joe prick from the ends. Ask what I done to your boss. Took him in his cell, made him say sorry. He didn't want to take that loss. Yeah, I'm talking about Fred, your boss. Yeah, I'm
talking about Fred, your boss. Who?
Get back to that prick from the ends. Rent a Joe prick from the ends. Ask what I done to your boss. Took him in his cell, made him say sorry. He didn't want to take that loss. Yeah, I'm talking about Fred, your boss. Yeah, I'm talking about Fred, your boss, you fucking osh. I was in the pit with Moss, just seen RV with his kids and stuff. He was acting like we're kin and stuff. Told him I'm gonna slap Headie when I see him. He told me my reason legit and stuff.
You gonna slap Headie? Headie, what your face? But wait, I'm confused though. Why is Ambush from the UK shooting after UK artists though? I don't understand. It should was, bro, you need to aim and fire over across the waters. Fire over America. Give them some of them here. Wait a go land.
Come in a forehead.
But I want one. Why am I shoot after them? I don't understand. Somebody help me, please.
Fred, your boss, you fucking osh. I was in the pit with Moss, just seen RV with his kids and stuff. He was acting like we're kin and stuff. Told him I'm gonna slap Headie when I see him. He told me my reason legit and stuff. I don't wanna mix up stuff, but I gotta spit my
I don't wanna mix up stuff. Me already confused. If I mix up stuff.
Told me my reason legit and stuff. I don't wanna mix up stuff. But I gotta spit my stuff, it's flipping rough. Don't tell me about chipping stuff, don't make me get onto the chipping stuff.
Chip name ya call, bro? Brother. No, wait. Ambush. Chip name ya call, dog? A chip? As in chip to the chip? Like chip carrying out the bars? Like that chip there? Eh? Chip aka chipmunk you talking? Eh? Nah, man. I can't Mr. Hairline you talk, man. I can't Mr. Hairline you talk to blood clot. Where you chip off? Me not someone in the comment section, please tell me no. I'm not in tune with who I go on to the UK. Me not react to UK.
My reason legit and stuff. I don't wanna mix up stuff. But I gotta spit my stuff. It's flipping rough. Don't tell me about chipping stuff. Don't make me get onto the chipping stuff. I think that he's too legit and stuff. So what happened when Stormzy went to your crib and stuff? That's different stuff.
10 story in a one. 10 story in a one. 10 story in a fucking one, yes sir. The man say, we all saw what happened when Stormzy went to your house and stuff. Eh? We all saw that shit. We all saw when Chipmunk grab him pen and start write again. We see. Stamps in the answer. We see that.
I spit my stuff is flip. He was acting like we're kin and stuff. Told him I'm gonna slap Headie when I see him. He told me my reason legit and stuff. I don't wanna mix up stuff. But I gotta spit my stuff is flipping rough. Don't tell me about tripping stuff. Don't make me get onto the chipping stuff. I think that he's too legit and stuff. So what happened when Stormzy went to your crib and stuff? That's different stuff. You decided to spit and stuff. Soft boy don't mix with a soft boy don't mix with a rough. Nah, don't mix with a raw. Problems that we can't fix anymore. I was gonna allow it, then I thought allow it. Really can't fake this shit anymore. I don't
Hold on then, man. I was gonna allow it, but I thought allow it. Yo, what the fuck I go on, bro? Like, comment section, don't help me out, please, dog. Like, me confused.
Problems that we can't fix anymore. I was gonna allow it, then I thought allow it. Really can't fake this shit anymore. I don't listen to American shit anymore. They're all drugs and killing is cool. They make
I don't listen to American shit anymore.
Fake this shit anymore. I don't listen to American shit anymore. They're all drugs and killing is cool. They make kids think stripping is cool. But I do fuck.
They make kids think stripping is cool. Cool. That school as in SCH or not. Cool is cool. Them yeah. So they must say them glorify too much fuckery in the American music. So you don't listen to it anymore. Fuck that. That's what I must say.
Shit anymore. They're all drugs and killing is cool. They make kids think stripping is cool. But I do fuck with Dr. Umar, cause that nigga knows that niggas is cool. But big woman thing I wanna ask one thing, bro. When I fuck are you billing in school? From a Cat Williams school, from a Curtis Jackson school, from a Michael Jackson school. How I end up selling packs in school. How I end up entertaining millions. Now I think I'm millionaire axes. Don't make me act a fool. Everything facts I'm speaking. Everything factual. I'm a bad boy in the actual wall. When it's MC thing, I can match you all. All men bleed, cuz.
All of them bleed.
If you see what a shot done to the face, you definitely wouldn't be fucking with me. Me, I'm on the next thing, fuck the police. That's my real ops. Shout out Kota Janito, that's my real pops.
Blood clot.
That's Vimbi, that's my real name. Shout out Ibrahim Traore and them man there, he's on what I'm on. You know what I'm saying? From the golden fucking diaspora in the fucking UK, cuz they're nothing like us, they're not like us. Big up Wiley, I swear he invented this fucking
Big up Wiley, big up Wiley.
Shout out Motion, he made me do this fucking madness. Fucking with me is fucking madness. Get Madagascar in this. Aye.
Smarty Wallen. Me G-head chip out the blood clot. I want this going a while ago. So him say, hold on, man. So him say, Skepta track was mid. Skepta track never ready. Him say, him send for chip. In this chip. Where's him this? In this chip, in this. But the blood clot are going on. What going on in the UK? Why only not unite for take on the only need for unite for take on America, bro? Americans is gonna unite and take on. So on need for unite, bro. What the fuck gonna do, dog? Like ambush and kill everything. Ambush don't give a fuck. Ambush and kill everything. Ambush them. But Chip, last time I see Chip in a war, when the war finished, Chip say, yo, maybe they might answer them UK rapping no more. More and go overseas, America. So, we see Chip in a comment section, a comment on the Skepta post and a comment at a certain man post. Are we going to get Chip jumping at the war? That me want to see now, bro. Because Chip is my artist, you know. Chip is my artist. So, are we going to see Chip in a war? Yo, let me know what go on in the comment section, please. If you're new around here, please drop a sub on the channel, guys. Help me grow. 100K this year. That's what we need. All right? Drop a like on the stream as well, guys. And let me know what's going on in the comment section. All right? I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Ambush, pick up yourself, bro.
Yeah, first game, brother, review your face, the dog. If face, you fall.